Good evening everyone. My name is Chef Archie and today I'll be making one of the most easiest and my favorite desserts, which is banoffee pie. But before we start, I would just like to say two things. Firstly, I know it's a really challenging and difficult time to stay at home, but I would request all of you to stay home and stay safe. Secondly, I would like to thank Amul for this great initiative of promoting simple homemade recipes. So let's get started. I would just like to tell you a little about banoffee pie. It's a combination of two things, which is banana and toffee. So I'll just tell you what are the ingredients used to make banoffee pie. Firstly, we'll be taking 150 grams of digestive biscuits, 80 grams of Amul butter, 200 mils of whipped cream, Amul condensed milk, Amul dark chocolate, and 2 bananas. So now I'll just tell you the procedure on how to proceed with the recipe. You have to take a plate and you have to take a mold. Just in case you do not have a mold, what you can do is you can grab a bowl from your house, or else you can use a cup to make the layered pie. So firstly, we'll be taking 150 grams of biscuits and putting them into a mixer, so that we can just crush them. Just in case you do not have digestive biscuits, I've tried this recipe with the hide and seek and it turned out to be amazing. So that's 150 grams of digestive biscuits, and now we'll be blitzing it using our hand blender. Maybe another 30 seconds. I'll just show you the texture. It just looks like sand. Now we'll be adding 80 grams of melted Amul butter. And we'll blitz it until it's well combined. Few more seconds. And we are good to go. This did not. So now we'll put the entire mixture in the mold, and this is the first base for the pie, which is of the digestive biscuits and butter. Can you just see the texture? All well combined. Just spread it evenly. You have to reach the corners. I have a really handy tool to even it out, which is a katori. So that's the first layer for the pie, which is of the biscuit and butter. Now I'll put this into the freezer for 10 minutes so that it is set completely. Now the second layer is of the caramel. Now I'll just tell you three procedures or three methods as to how we'll make this condensed milk into caramel. First method is through oven. You can set your oven at 220 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes for preheating it. Just grab your tray and we'll be taking a tin and you will empty your condensed milk into this tin. Oops, sorry. Can you see the color of the condensed milk? It is pale yellow. Now, how we convert this into the caramel? We'll be covering the tin with foil. And then we'll be creating a water bath. This is hot water. Now I'll tell you why we're creating this water bath. Water bath से क्या होता है कि ये जो condensed milk है, it is sugar and milk. अगर आप इसमें water नहीं डालेंगे तो ये जल जाएगा because ये 220 degree Celsius पे 1 hour 30 minutes के लिए we have to cook this. This will be converted into caramel. So it's really important कि आप ये water bath create करें and for 1.5 hour every half an hour ये hot water pour करेंगे. Okay, this is water. This will evaporate in 20-25 minutes. So you have to keep checking it. So that's how you will be getting your caramel out of the condensed milk. And I'll just wait for my oven to be preheated. Next step is I'll be taking 2 bananas. I'll just slice them thinly. Now I am putting my water bath with the condensed milk into the oven for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Now I'll tell you an important tip and trick. That's how I make my caramel. There are 2 more ways. The second method is grab a saucepan, fill your saucepan till 3/4 and then you can put your tin inside the saucepan and you have to prick 3 holes. आपको अपने tin में 3 होल करने हैं and आपको इस वाटर बाथ में डालना है and you have to cover it for 4 hours. ये 4 hours के बाद condensed milk will be converted into caramel. I know it's a really time consuming process, but जिनके पास oven नहीं है, you can use this method. And third method तो सबसे easy है. Go to a departmental store and get a tub of caramel. So it's up to you कि आप कौन सा method apply करेंगे. Method 1, method 2 और method 3 going to the departmental store. So we have sliced our bananas. And I guess कि हमारा बिस्किट बेस भी ठंडा हो गया है. Here you go. See, it's all set and it's hard. Okay, because butter जम गया है. Now आपने pale yellow color का condensed milk देख लिया. It is there for 1 hour 30 minutes. अब 1 hour 30 minutes की तो वीडियो है नहीं. So what I've done is I've already made caramel for you, and this is how it is supposed to look. You can see the texture and you can see the color, right? So 1.5 घंटा 1 hour 30 minutes के बाद this is what you will get. Okay? अब इस पे मुझे डालना है तो it's really hard and I won't be able to work with it. So for 30 seconds I'll just microwave it so that I can spread it evenly. बाय द टाइम हमारा कैरेमल हीट हो रहा है, आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू वन थिंग. ये मैंने व्हिपिंग क्रीम पहले से निकाल के रखी है, जस्ट बिकॉज आई हैव टू शो इट टू यू. यू डोंट हैव टू डू दैट. अगर आप व्हिपिंग क्रीम बाहर रख देंगे वो रूम टेम्परेचर पे आ जाएगी, एंड जब आप उसे व्हिप करेंगे वो कर्डल हो जाएगी. कर्डल मीन्स वो फट जाएगा. तो आपको मेक श्योर करना है इट इज कोल्ड, नॉट एट रूम टेम्परेचर. सो माय कैरेमल, you can see it's a bit soft and it's easy to work with. Just move it a couple of times so that, क्योंकि ये गर्म है ऑब्वियसली आपको इसको थोड़ा सा कूल करना है, अदरवाइज आपका बिस्किट बेस अगेन सॉफ्ट हो जाएगा एंड वी डोंट वांट दैट. ओके, सो caramel goodness, spread it evenly. And just another important tip, आपको इसको एंड्स तक नहीं लेके जाना है, जस्ट बिकॉज जब आप इसे डीमोल्ड करोगे ना तो आपकी कैरमल सारी फ्लो आउट कर जाएगी. सो मेक श्योर कि आप उसके कॉर्नर्स थोड़े से छोड़ देते हैं. Now I'll put this back into the freezer for 2 minutes so that जब मैं इसमें banana डालूं तो वो गर्म ना हो जाए, because this is still a bit hot for the banana. So I'll just put them into the freezer. By the time it's getting cooled, I'll just tell you one thing, just in case you have a get together, something of that sort. आप इस डिश को पहले भी प्रिपेयर कर सकते हो. Prepare the caramel. It can stay up to 1 month into the refrigerator. So आपके घर कोई आ रहा है, so you can well prepare the dish. And ये कैरेमल ऑब्वियसली मैं पूरा टिन बनाती हूँ, बट हमेशा छोड़ देती हूँ जस्ट बिकॉज माई हस्बैंड ही लव्स पैनकेक्स एंड वॉफल्स. सो मैं इसको पैनकेक के साथ सर्व कर देती हूँ, आइसक्रीम के ऊपर ड्रिजल करके खा लेती हूँ, विद वॉफल्स, विद अ टोस्ट. सो दिस वोंट बी वेस्टेड. सो दिस कैरेमल गुडनेस, नथिंग गोज वेस्टेड in the kitchen. By the time that's getting chilled, I'll whip the cream now. Now obviously I'm a baker, so मेरे पास सारे tools easily available हैं. Just in case you do not have that, सबके घर में ये तो होता है whisker. आप इसे दही फेंकते हो, मलाई निकालते हो. So अगर आपके पास ये नहीं है, please use this and you have to whisk it. And make sure जब आप इसको इससे whisk करो और with the blender, same direction में movement होनी चाहिए, not in the opposite direction. If you're going clockwise, go clockwise. अगर anti clockwise कर रहे हैं तो anti clockwise continue करेंगे. And obviously start with a slower speed and gradually increase the speed. So let's get started with the whipped cream. Now I'm increasing the speed. Can you see? Triple the size ये हो गया है and it has to be stiff peaks. All right. Okay. It's ready. Now I'll just get my pie. It has cooled down. Right. Now I'll be making a layer of bananas. Who doesn't like bananas? I love bananas. I start my morning with a banana. I personally like this single layer of bananas, but if you really like, you can put another layer. It's up to you. It's a very flexible dish. आप इसके साथ कुछ भी कर सकते हो अपने हिसाब से. बिस्किट का बेस बना सकते हो अपने हिसाब से, कैरेमल डाल सकते हो अपने हिसाब से, बनानास डाल सकते हो. Basically, it's a very friendly dish, you can say. Okay, so last I'll just put my whipped cream. Few dollops and we're good to go. Make sure just as caramel and the biscuit आप इसको भी evenly spread out करें so that it reaches the corner until the bottom. Look at that. The cloud of cream. That's 200 mils of whipped cream. Now I'll just grab my palette knife. So that I can spread it beautifully. Even it out. Okay. Now the last topping is Amul dark chocolate. Now basically what you have to do is chocolate. Everyone has this handy tool. It's a slicer. So just take your chocolate, slice it all over the cake. Oh my god, look at that. मेक श्योर आपकी चॉकलेट ठंडी हो बिकॉज इट्स हॉट नाउ. आपके हाथ भी गर्म होते हैं तो वो चॉकलेट शेविंग्स प्रॉपर्ली बनेगी नहीं. सो जस्ट मेक श्योर कि आप एकदम ठंडी चॉकलेट लें. The amount of chocolate you want to put totally depends on you. I love chocolate, so be generous with chocolate. Okay, so we are done over here. Now this pie has to go into the fridge and not freezer for say 3 to 4 hours, and then you have to demold it so that it properly set ho jaye. Do not demold before 3 to 4 hours. एंड अगर आपके गेस्ट रात को आ रहे हैं, आपने अभी बना दिया है, डीमोल्ड व्हेन यू हैव टू ईट इट, अदरवाइज जो कैरेमल है वो ooze आउट कर जाएगा. सो मेक श्योर इसको खाने से पहले ही आप हैव टू डीमोल्ड इट. सो आई एम पुटिंग दिस इनटू द फ्रिज फॉर 3 to 4 hours. नाउ ऑब्वियसली वीडियो तो नहीं है इतनी देर तक, so what I did was I prepared one in advance for you. Look at that, all the caramel just oozing out. The biscuit base, the bananas, the whipped cream and loads of chocolate. Now I'll just show you how it looks from the inside. So I'm just going to cut a slice of this gorgeous looking cake pie. And yes, before serving it, make sure कि आप इसको फ्रिज से निकाल दें at least 5 to 10 minutes पहले, because वो जो बटर एंड बिस्किट है अदरवाइज वो कट नहीं होगा. सो मेक श्योर या तो स्लाइस करके रख दीजिए या तो फिर 5 to 10 मिनट्स सर्व करने से पहले आप इसको फ्रिज से निकाल लें. लुक एट दैट, हैप्पीनेस ऑन अ प्लेट. Now I think I should have a bite. And I should thank all of you who came. Oh my god, this is so good. I'll tell you one thing, there are multiple flavors going on in my mouth. Biscuit, caramel, the creamy caramel, the bananas and my cloud of whipped cream. Please try this recipe and let me know in the comments. And I would like to thank you all again for watching the video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.